Hey guys, welcome back to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. Today's video is super exciting. Actually, this is definitely my favorite recipe ever that I've made for a dessert. I'm finally going to share with you how I make my vegan cheesecake. However, since you know me, I happen to have a lot of food allergies, so this recipe is free from gluten, soy, nuts, and legumes. If you want to learn how to make it and how to serve it, especially for Easter, then keep on watching this video. I'm gonna start by soaking 8 dates in hot water for 4 minutes. Once time is up, go ahead and remove the pit from each of your dates, but make sure to save the water as we're going to be using it for the cheesecake filling. Next, I'm going to blend the dates with 2 cups of quick oats and a quarter cup of my date-infused water. This is going to make for the perfect gluten-free crust. To make the unmolding process easier, I'm going to be using this detachable base cake mold. As usual, I'm going to link everything I use in the description box below. Before I start making the crust, I like to add coconut oil in the base and the side of my mold. This is going to make it easier for you to unmold your cheesecake. To start, I shape half of my quick oat mix with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is going to make it very sticky. Just make sure all your quick oats have maple syrup, that way it's easier to compact it. And once you're ready with the first half, I just go ahead and add the second one with 2 more tablespoons of maple syrup. Once it looks like this, you can go ahead and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 15 minutes. Let's prepare the thickening agent mix. For that, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch and 2 teaspoons of your date-infused water. Mix it well and let it sit for a few minutes. This step is important. I'm gonna go ahead and make 4 layers. For that, I'm going to repeat the same step 3 more times. I'll start by adding 100 grams of vegan feta cheese, 160 grams of sweet coconut condensed milk or half of your can, a quarter cup of unsweetened coconut yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. I'm gonna transfer this mix to this stove and I'm gonna cook it until the vegan feta cheese has fully melted. Then I'm gonna add blue food coloring to make my first layer. Once I have the desired color, I will go ahead and add my tapioca mix to this. I'm gonna cook it for 1 more minute and then turn off the stove. To lock the layer, I'm gonna go ahead and add a quarter cup of lemon juice. You'll see once you start mixing it how creamy it becomes. Now to the fun part, it's time to add the first layer to my cheesecake crust. One tip I'm going to give you before you do that, make sure that your crust doesn't have any empty spaces, and if it does, you can easily reshape the oats. Refrigerate this for an hour and then start making your second layer. For my second layer, I decided to make it purple. I'm gonna go ahead and refrigerate this for another hour and then make the third layer. An hour later and we are back. Third layer is going to be yellow. I know that it's a lengthy process, but it's worth it. Refrigerate it again and prepare for the last layer. I honestly had to save the best color for the end, right? So I'm gonna add my pink layer. This one is infused with dragon fruit. There are lots of food coloring options that you can use. You can use spices, you can use fruit powders, or vegan food coloring. Honestly, there are lots of options. Finally, refrigerate for at least 6 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and refrigerate this overnight so it's ready tomorrow afternoon. Oh my goodness, next day reveal. This is gorgeous. So I went ahead and kept it refrigerated for 13 hours and look at this beauty. The trick is to make sure to use lots of coconut oil to grease your mold, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to get it out. For my final touches, I'm gonna add oat whipped cream flowers and I'm gonna dust that with some mix of sugar and pitaya powder. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited for you to see it. It's beautiful. So one little thing that I was going to note, between the blue and the purple layer, I didn't wait enough. I actually only waited 30 minutes, and it's better if you wait an hour so that way you can see that the layers fully harden, so then that way you can put more and more and more on top. Honestly, this is so pretty. But even so, oh, I don't want to, we don't want to make a mess in this video, but it's time to give it a try. I can't wait. So excited. I feel like it's gorgeous that I don't even want to slice it, but ooh. Okay, look, isn't it just it's gorgeous. Okay, and it's even better in the inside. So now that I'm actually cut like a tiny piece, you can properly see all of the layers. I'm so excited. All right, let's try it. I'm just happy. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. It is delicious. So it's not too sweet, but it does have like the cheesecake flavor that a dairy one will typically have. This one just happens to be completely allergen free. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite desserts that I've ever shared on my YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see all of you making it at home. If you haven't subscribed to IPINKIT and you would love to continue watching more vegan and allergy friendly recipes, make sure to subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button down your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. And if you want to take a look at other recipe ideas, then I have a lot of playlists that are going to help you. If you want the gluten recipe of this beautiful and yummy cheesecake, then you're going to be able to find it on my blog, and the link is right here. Thank you guys for watching, thank you for being here, thank you for subscribing, for sharing this video with your friends, for giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!